Hello, everyone. I'm Sebastián Perez, and I'm giving this presentation on behalf of Carla Hernandez, who is the main scientist behind the research and the citizen science initiative I'm about to present. The work titled Solar Eclipse 2019, Citizen Science Initiative to Investigate GPS Signal in Chile, is about how can we use an eclipse to engage with the general public. So eclipses are rare events, but they are excellent opportunities to engage with the public and learn about our atmosphere, for example. On July 2nd, 2019, there was this total solar eclipse that crossed Chilean territory. The path of totality went through the north of Chile, which is one of the clearest skies to do astronomical research on Earth. The observatories there did some very good research, but how do we invite the people into this? So there is evidence that the moon's shadow can affect the properties of the atmosphere. More specifically, the electron content of the ionosphere can be affected by the changes in the illumination pattern. So why is this important? It affects the transmission of radio waves. And if radio waves that travel through the atmosphere are affected by the eclipse, then satellite communication is also likely to be perturbed. So our team created the initiative Hago Ciencia, which means I do science in Spanish. And our idea was very simple. So we invited people across the country to open a website on their phones before, during, and after the eclipse. And the website will keep track of the GPS location data that was being received from the satellites. So if there was a disturbance in the ionosphere, then we should see something on the data that we were tracking on the GPS of the phones. Thanks to almost 5,000 people who joined the initiative, we found evidence that during the time of the totality of the eclipse, the GPS precision was much worse than normal. This suggests that the GPS is in a regular phone, any smartphone, can detect changes in the ionosphere because of this exercise that we did. Now, the high participation in the project showed that there is much interest in engaging in participative scientific research in the general public. And that's all. If you want to learn more about the project, you can find more info in ionosphere.cl. Thank you.